Did you realize the Japanese stock market actually outperformed the US stock market over the past 3 to 5 years? Here's a quick look. Japanese stock market in yen returned 15.2% annualized over the past 5 years compared to 15.1% for the US market. Over the past 3 years, the outperformance has been even more, 14% annualized for Japan stocks, 11.6% for the US stock market. Now, what's interesting about Japan is its earnings per share growth has been the same as the US over the past decade. And the Japanese stock market has had a higher dividend yield than the US stock market. So just those two components, Japan's outperformed over the past decade, except the US dollar has strengthened, the yen has weakened, and that has led to underperformance, and Japanese stocks have gotten less expensive and US stocks have gotten more expensive. And that also contributed to the underperformance of Japan over the past decade. But over the past 5 years, it's been astounding. And what's changed is financial regulators in Japan are requiring Japanese companies to be more shareholder friendly. They have to have independent directors. They have to have more disclosures on how they're using capital. And they have to take actions to boost stock returns, such as increasing dividends or buying back stocks. Last year, Japanese stocks had the highest amount of buybacks of all time. In fact, the percentage of Japanese stocks, or a percent of the total size of the Japanese stock market that was purchased in terms of share buybacks, was as high as the US. So Japanese companies are more shareholder friendly. They're more focused on boosting stock returns, and that has allowed the Japanese stock market to outperform and should be helpful for Japanese stocks going forward. What about you? Are you invested in the Japanese stock market?